G'day guys, and while I'm waiting for parts for the other saws, I figured you can never have too much. You'd see the other saws in other videos. If you haven't watched the other ones, go up there and watch them. But yeah, we got all sorts going on at the moment waiting for parts, but I figured we might as well dig into this old Canadien and see what it needs. Now, I know pretty much nothing about these. It's a Canadien PM something. And what I have noticed is pretty much everything is hard lined in, like copper lines, which is very good craftsmanship, I guess you could say, but it will make it a bit tedious to work on if I have to pull it apart. But yeah, this is one quality made machine. The only soft lines I can see are a few little tiny ones here for the fuel lines. Apart from that, it's pretty much all hard lined. Now, to start off, I can see we're missing the top of the plunger for the chain oil primer or oiler. I don't know if these have an automatic oiler on them. As always, on any old saw, our pull starts hanging out loose, so I'll have to retension that and put some preload on it. Our air filter cover here is upside down by the looks of it, because I'm imagining this hole is not meant to just open up and let stuff fall down inside the air filter. And now seeing it, that Canadien emblem there is upside down. But yeah, these are a quality saw. I have no idea what kind of CC this is or even what real model it is, but we're going to go through, see what we can do, see if we can get it running, and then I'll order that handle piece for the plunger there, and hopefully this one will be going off too after a bit of a tidy up. But anyway, let's get this air filter cover off, retension this, put some fuel on it, see if it primes. That primer does feel fairly nice, so I think it should fit through there, and see if we can get it to start up.